Well, good evening. Welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything again, guys. I'm currently laying underneath the car. I just finished it. What I did is I finished up the mounts for the running boards. So you caught me laying down here, looking my best. Boy, I look like crap, don't I? One of these days I'll get my tooth fixed that carrot busted off. The other one's an implant next to it, but I don't have the $459,832.34 for my dentist to replace it because he needs a new Corvette or something. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know why things got to be so expensive. I think there's a lot of price gouging going out there, and I think there's going to be quite a bit. But boy, do I look good. I'm all dirty in the face because I've been under the car. I'm just pretty rotten looking right now. But let me show you what I did. But looks like I got I got a fat face, I know that, but I mean, I'm laying on my side. So anyway, what we did is we made brackets. Kind of see it here. I bolted this to the factory bracket, and I ran it up and Z'd it into the frame and welded it to that. Later on, I think I'll put a gusset in there. I'm going to take the body back off. Those brackets will stay on there, obviously. Then I'll work on them some more. And you can kind of see there's the other bracket for that side. Put that in there. And then kind of see that front one there. Basically everything was the same. It's just the two front brackets are the same, and the two back brackets, kind of a tongue twister. They were a pair. So the front two are the same, and the rear two are a different pair. Whatever. I don't even know how to say it. But yeah, you can see how I did that one. I gotta get my hand out of the way of the light here or something. I don't know. See how beautiful the floor is. I gotta work on yet. It's getting old though, because the fenders just took everything out of me. But to mount these, but you can see how I welded them to the frame here, on top, around, everything. I could stand on them. I'm 300 pounds. I could stand on them. I make them move a little bit, but that's me though. I'm heavy. And then there's the master cylinder we installed on our other deal. Other video, another episode, I guess you'd call it. 727. I got that all mounted in here. You can see how I got that mounted. There's a bolt that goes up through here. Maybe you can see it. Maybe you can't. I don't know. Maybe no, you can. Where is it? There it is. So I still gotta weld this in, but I can't with this in. So there's a little bit of welding on the chassis yet that has to be done, but otherwise almost all the fabrication on the chassis is done. Almost. I don't know what we got left here yet. We got steering helms to weld in front there. Gotta weld them to the chassis yet. It's just the steering's hanging down there, but we're waiting for 3/4 inch double D shaft, and then we're waiting for helms, and we're waiting for all kinds of stuff. So eventually we'll get her done, and then it's kind of a little tour, I guess you could call it, under here. Where's that light coming from? Huh, weird. Oh, that's a ceiling light. Okay, never mind. But yeah, this is, you see the triangulated 4-link we put in here. 8/8 rear coilover shocks. 355s in the back here. Big drum brakes. That's all he needs. He can change that later too if he wants. That's just a bolt-on weekend project if he wants to do that. But yeah. So anyway, let's put this thing on pause while I crawl my large ass out of here. Oh, excuse me, my whatever. There's the star of the show again, Mindy. She's coming up. She wants to greet everybody. While you're under there, you want to check that rear end fluid? Huh? But yeah, I thought that'd be kind of a cool little look here. Yeah, later on I'll take a dolly maybe to these dents. I just need a break. I got a ton of snow. I got about 6-7 inches of snow, so in the morning I got to do snow removal. But I'm just glad I'm kind of done under here for now. I can't take no more underneath here. It's breaking me. And then you can kind of see the column there too a little bit. You know that we're waiting for him so we can mount it and all that stuff. I just got a clamp up there. But yeah, okay. And I'll get up. So I'm gonna call these done for now. They'd work just the way they are. Wonder if I can back this up. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna go in for supper here pretty quick. So, oh, there's a jack there. Try to get a view of the car here as best I can. Yeah, I think that turned out okay. What do you think, Mindy? Think so too? Yeah, I got a little work to do on the front side of them, maybe a little bit. I don't know. That one over there was all bent to heck, you know. Must have ran into a milk can or something years ago. Or something. Yeah, I think it looks okay. Yeah. Anyway, if you can, please like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it when you do. I wish people would subscribe to my channel. You know, I got all these projects going on, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. But I thank you to every one of you guys that are subscribing to my channel. I sure appreciate it. I thank you for the guys that are just stopping by, cruising through, basically. But if you could, subscribe. It doesn't cost you nothing. And then when I do something, hit the notification bell right away. And then, yeah. So now I'm going to either do floors or doors. This thing's got the suicide doors on it. So they have to be just right so they don't fly open. But, so I don't know. I might do floors next. Then doors. You know, but we're almost done. I mean, with the major fabrication, you know, things are coming along. He probably has to get a new cowl or half a quarter cowl or whatever. Look at this. This side's perfect. Then you get to this side. I guess a tree fell on it. So, but everything's in good shape. The lower part's got a. You make new metal for that easy enough. That's just a flat piece. But Mindy, I love you, Mindy. Little Miss Riding Hood, you sure are looking good. Oh, remember that old song? But anyway, I guess all I can say is everybody take care. Be safe out there, and love to all. And I appreciate you guys, all you guys, gals, wherever you are, wherever you are. And take care. Okay? Happy holidays. Bye-bye.